DJI's wireless module is, for me, probably one of the most useful accessories alongside the DJI Osmo Pocket, and this accessory by PolarPro puts the icing on the cake, the Wi-Fi tripod adapter. As useful as the DJI wireless module is, it's slightly limited when it comes to placement of the unit with the Osmo attached. Yes, it's perfect for placing on a flat surface even while power is connected and used remotely, but when it comes to mounting your Osmo and still maintaining that remote connectivity, another accessory is required. If it's mounting to an object, the DJI's accessory mount can be used alongside the wireless module and works perfectly well, but if you're just looking to mount onto a tripod, then this will come in especially useful. The PolarPro Wi-Fi tripod adapter is a seemingly simple accessory but adds a good degree of versatility. Plastic in construction, albeit with a rubberized textured finish, it carries a rather simple yet very lightweight design. There's plenty of space in the middle to slide the DJI wireless module into place, where it stays put nice and firm, with no wiggle room whatsoever. We now keep the full functionality of the wireless module, so the Osmo can sit in place, and we can still have access to the rear charging port too. But now we have the addition of a 1/4 inch 20 standard thread in the bottom for mounting to a tripod, and still maintaining full remote operation. As an added bonus, the bottom of the mount is even shaped for full compatibility with the Arca-Swiss or dovetail tripod mounting systems too. When tripod mounted, the rear USB-C port is still accessible, so it can attach a portable battery pack and, with a little DIY, create a nice little setup for all-day shooting sessions. If DJI's wireless module limited your connection options, then the PolarPro Wi-Fi tripod adapter is exactly what you need, providing the ability to mount your Osmo Pocket to any standard tripod. In fact, that doesn't just limit you to tripods, but to any mount that sports a 1/4 inch 20 bolt. If you're a wireless module user, then this simple accessory comes highly recommended.